Welcome back. You're watching Business Lunch and straight to the top national development for the day. Now, the Supreme Court is currently hearing the case of the rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata's RG Hospital. Now, remember that the Supreme Court had taken suo motu cognizance of the case and had asked the CBI to submit a status report on its probe today. And Ashmit Kumar, our colleague, has been in the courtrooms and is tracking all the developments closely. Ashmit, it's a grave matter and it is an important hearing there. Get us all the key developments.
Well, in fact, grave indeed. In fact, the Apex Court has been at it for the first half. They've just broken for lunch. Importantly, both the CBI as well as the West Bengal Police have filed their status reports. A key question that has arisen and importantly has not been answered as per the clarity that the Apex Court had sought is that when exactly was this case registered? There has been a great deal of back and forth between the submissions being made by the CBI and the West Bengal government. West Bengal says that the case was registered at 1:45. The CBI says that's not correct. It was actually done at 11:30 in the night. And all of this back and forth is creating confusion in the minds of the Apex Court. The Supreme Court at one point even remarking that it has not seen such conduct in 30 years of their experience. And that is, again, strong words coming in with respect to the conduct of the West Bengal government. The West Bengal government, however, on its part, has called this merely as an attempt to muddy the water, saying that this is deliberately being done to cause confusion, that the focus should not be on when the case was registered, but what has happened in the CBI investigation. What have they done? Where have they gone with their investigation in the last 7 days? That's the question the West Bengal government is asking. Importantly, the Apex Court has said that we'll break for lunch, we'll come back, and then we'll ask CBI on what has been achieved as a part of its investigation and as a part of its status report. But also important to point out that the Apex Court has also seized of the concern of public health infrastructure in the state, asking resident doctors, today would be the 14th straight day of the strike, asking the doctors, the protesting doctors, to return to work and assuring them that upon their return, no action will be taken against them and that the National Task Force will give them a fair hearing. So the court really has its hands full. 2 p.m. is when the hearing resumes. CBI is expected to give more clarity on its investigation in this case. Back to you.
Ashmit, thanks a lot for that update. The latest ones coming in there from the Supreme Court on this extremely grave issue. Now on